Hello, welcome to ICM Project Management. Today, let's continue talking about the work breakdown structure. In our last parts, we defined the work breakdown structure as a hierarchical decomposition of a total scope of work to be carried out by a project team to accomplish the project objective and create the required deliverable for the project. Today, let's talk about the uses of work breakdown structure. The main use of the work breakdown structure is define the activities. That is the first step. We define with our team member what are the activity of the new project to be carried out. Then we define the schedule time to be tracking to have a tracking during the project. We can define the time by phase or by deliverable or activities. In this case, we define the time by phase. Phase 1, we define 120 hours. And phase 2, 200 hours, and so on. Phase 3, 300 hours, and phase 4, 500 hours. Another use of the WBS is a quality requirement analysis. When we have this structure, the work breakdown structure, we define for each phase or for each work package or of activities what are the quality requirements we need to fulfill the project. For example, we can define what the quality requirement for our equipment, we can define the quality requirement for our facility, and the quality requirement for our contractor. Another use of the work breakdown structure is define or measure estimation of our costs. When we have that kind of diagram and scheme chart, we can define the amount of money for each phase of our project. Here we define 100,000 for the phase 1, 300,000 for the phase 2, 200,000 phase 3, and 400,000 for the final phase. This way, we can have an estimation about what is the amount of money we are going to use. The other use of a work breakdown structure is define the budget. When we define the cost estimation, we have the final total budget. In this case, we have a million units of money. That is another use we have and we can develop with the work breakdown structure. Very easy. So, at the end, the advantage of work breakdown structure is we have not to get confused about what is the work to be carried out for our team member. So everybody know exactly what his responsibilities and what is the work that he or she have to carry out to finish the project in the better way. So, thank you for listening, and come back and listening to us again here in ICM Project Management. Thank you.